Hello everyone and welcome here on the first video tutorial quick start. My name is Paul and today I will guide you from the beginning to your first generation quickly and without much explanation. So please just follow my instructions and the detailed description will be provided during the second deep walkthrough tutorial. You could buy the gene directly from me for lower cost, sending an order to my official email and paying through the PayPal or on eBay at my store or from one of my dealers. To run the gene, you should have at least Excel 2007 or newer one, and to have better overview about what all you can do, please watch the previous gene software features video. After your order, you will get directly from me the first and the second delivery email. Open the second one and download the package file and the Wave-like Theory ebook as bonus for free. Open the folder and hide the browser and create the Gene 2.0 folder on your disk or directly on the desktop to have it always in front of your eyes and to have everything on one place. So we have the folder, please open it and copy the files into the Gene folder. We have the files and now we need to extract the package file. Do not double click the file, it's not a good option. So right click the file and select one of your extract software like a 7-zip and extract here or WinRAR. I would recommend the WinRAR because originally the files were packed with this software and extract here. If you do not have the WinRAR, please download it from the WinRAR.com. Click just the 32-bit version and the download is for free. When we have downloaded, open the folder and double click the file. Finally click install and finish the installation. I will not do it right now as I already have it in my computer, so I can hide it and I will hide it as well. And here we can extract the package, extract here, and we need to put the unlock password which we found in the first delivery email where are all your data, and we copy the unlock password starting BAC and paste it into the input box. Click OK. Now we have here the Wave-like Theory ebook we can read, and here we can see the chapters in the navigation panel. Then we have here the user guide that will be substituted actually by these new video tutorials, and here you have all the chapters as well to go through and learn the use of the gene. And finally we have the gene software. We will open it by double click and we should enter the Excel password we take from the first delivery email, which is here. We copy the password and we insert it right here. When we click OK, many of you might end up with the gray screen and empty sheet. It's quite normal because it's caused by the security of the Windows. In this case, please close the file and right click the file, select properties and look for the security tab. It's here. you can have it here as well. I do not have this option, so I do not have this problem, but some of you can have this tab where you have the button unblock. So click the unblock button and OK. After this, the file is unblocked, and then again open the file by double click. Insert your Excel password and click OK. Now you see the whole interface of the Gene software, and you need to do the activation. You might realize that the button doesn't work, it looks like that, or the other buttons doesn't work as well. Then if it's your case, please click File, select Options, and here in Trust Center, select Trust Center Settings. Look for the ActiveX settings, and it might be disabled, so make it enabled. And also the macro settings can be disabled as well. So click the enable, click OK, OK, and all the buttons should be functional. If not, just close it and reopen the file again, and then it should work. So we will make the activation and the registration. And to the registration form, put your name, your surname, email address, phone, it's optional, country, zip code, it's an area code from your email it was registered. Then agree with the license agreement between you and me. Before you agree, read it. So read it and agree, and finally insert the authorization code from the first delivery email, which is right here. So we copy the authorization code and insert it into the registration form. If you do not agree, then you won't be able to register. It became red. If the code is not correct like this, then it's not possible to register. So when all is fine, please click the registration, click yes, click the registration, and it's done, and the file is activated and saved. After that, please close the file and rename the file to activated original. Make copy of this file and insert it into the same folder and rename it something like you like, for example, my lottery number 1. And here please realize you have now 2 activated files, and they are registered to your name and to your email. So please keep them safe from illegal use. Do not upload them to the internet or to distribute it to someone else, because you can be tracked easily, finding you through your name and email, and you could get into the troubles with law. So please keep the file safe. And now why I did the copy, you can now without any fear or problem to make your generations, and you can do experiments without to be afraid that you make something wrong. Because in the first level, if you will damage or lose the copied file activated, then you can always make a new copy from your original. In the second level, if you damage the original or something will go wrong with your original, you can always extract the files again and make new activation with the data you have in the first delivery email. And in the third level, if you lose the package file, then just reopen the second delivery email and download your files again. And finally, if you lose your emails as well, then please contact me after months or after 1 year, it doesn't matter. I will always resend you the files for free. So there is no need to be worried at all. So now we have all your files, we know what to do, and we are ready to start our first generation. Double click my lottery number 1, insert your Excel password, spread it to your screen, click activation, select your language, select skin you like, and choose the lottery you'd like to play. There are more than 40 presets until now, and then can be downloaded new ones from the internet, or you can do some of yours by yourself. So we select today Powerball. You can see the parameters of the lottery are filled in, do not touch them, and it says it has 2 independent draws, and there are 5 numbers drawn from 69 and 1 number from 26. Select please also the mode for draw number 1, it can be A or B, so we can keep A, and for draw number 2 select A or B, so we can select for example B. Then fill in other cells. This one we put just 10, I will not explain, it's not needed at this moment. The row put 27 and the column 2, it determines the start of the printing your input and output boxes. Then very important parameters is the count of previous lots. It's basically the history of the lottery, and there are the non-lottery days. So we can put 100, 1000 and less. Today we will put just 3 to make the setting quicker. Then the count of future lots we put today 0, and seed 1 can be whatever number you like, so I put like here. Seed 2 can be also whatever number you like. Then these we leave empty. Recuperation we put 0. Number of results can be from 1 to 1000, and today we put only 3. Swap 1, whatever number you like. Swap 2, also whatever number you like. So these last 2 we leave empty. Then we switch on the monitoring with counter, speed, average speed, time, and autosave. And that's all what we need to do at primary settings, and we start the secondary settings where all the input and output boxes will be printed to your screen. You see the green cells, it means that the settings is correct. And in the meantime we will open the web page of the lottery we want to play. Today it's Powerball, and we will search for the past drawings, and we set the free, so we select the date, for example from 13th, and we have the last 3 drawn numbers from last 3 drawn lottery days. In the meantime the interface is printed into the screen, so we are ready and we can insert the history of the lottery into the input box. We start with the oldest one, so we put here number number 2, 8, 14, 24, 69, and the second row is 26. Then the second day has numbers 29, 30, 41, 48, 64, and number 1. Finally, we have 27, 49, 50, 51, 52, and second row is number 2. So now we can hide the history of the lottery. We are prepared and we are ready to start the generation. So click start and see what's happening. The statistics are uploaded and the monitoring is showing the red snake, which represents the online monitoring, which we can see also on the output box number marked by M, and you see that they are generated random numbers and they are compared with the input box, and there you can see how much matches you have with the input box, and they are the upcoming random numbers. If we go up, we can see here that the best result is result number 5 with 27% of matches. This result is represented by the green wave, and we can find him in the output box marked by the exclamation mark, and is the result number 5. And to put the numbers on ticket, we should take the numbers from the column F. It's like a future, and these numbers for the draw 1 and draw 2 we put on the ticket. You can see here the number of matches is 0, 2 matches and 3 matches, and the average is 27% of matches. So this is the best result we have until now. Then we switch off the monitoring just to make the generation much quicker than it is until now. And the second thing what we can do, we will switch to the nodes. I don't know why, but it's even much quicker, and that's because of some Microsoft. Now we can see the speed. We have now more than 15,000 cycles per second. After or before, after some time or before we need to put the numbers on ticket, we can leave it like it is, and then we can switch back to the main tab and we can harvest the results. We see the best results is higher than it was before. It's result number 8 with 39% of matches. We got this result after 2 minutes. Here we have the maximum speed, the average speed, which will increase, and it's after 500,000 cycles the result we got. We can then take the result here. Then we see also below the last best result, which is the result number 6, number 7, 8, and if there will be new result number 9 better than 8, then it will be printed here, and the result 6 will be deleted, and the result number 9 will be then in this best open box where we put the numbers into the ticket. So that's all what you need to do. All run is automatical. If you need to work on your computer, so you can pause the generation and you can continue it later. If you need to close it and start it later, please click end and click here transfer, it's very important, and click save. You see there is a date and time when it was saved. After that you can close it without hesitation and you can open it after some time or before the evening or on another computer and start it from the last saved point. So I again will insert the Excel password and I can continue the generation. Just click the activation setting and start, and I will continue it from the last saved point. You see it's running, yeah, the red snake is still moving, and we have still the best result number 8 with 39% of matches, which is quite good after a very short time, which is 3 minutes. So when we are at the end, just before the shop will be closed and you have to buy your ticket, then do following. Just click the end. You can click the compare only to see your waves, which are represented in the output boxes, and we see the best result is here. So we take the numbers from the best output box and we put them on the ticket. To remove the waves from the boxes, just double click the compare and they are removed. So we have the numbers, then we buy the ticket and we wait what the result will be. After that, if we can save it as well, and after that, if we want to run new generation with new input box to add new numbers we got and to start it newly, we need to uncheck the transfer, and then you just click the activation again and all the interface is cleared and it's prepared completely for new generation. So then you just need to repeat the steps I showed before. Select the game to fill in the other parameters you need, then click the setting to print the input and new output boxes, and then just click start and you will start completely new generation. And this can be repeated as long as you need. There are no limits. So I am at the end, and I believe that everyone from now will be able to finally run it at and without any problems and issues. So thank you for your attention. If you missed something, just replay it. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the bell to be notified about new upcoming video tutorials, provide your feedback, comments, and I'll be happy for every like I will get from you. Join us on the Facebook page, groups, follow the links in the description, stay tuned, and see you next time on the second Deep Walkthrough tutorial.